Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone can get a location. Enable GPS and mobile data or Wi-Fi so coordinates are accurate. Next, open WhatsApp and choose the contact or group where you'll share. Tap the attach icon on Android or the plus icon on iPhone. This opens the media menu. Once done, select location from the options. This step begins the sharing flow, and it matters because WhatsApp needs both app permission and real-time location data to work reliably. You'll now decide between sending a static pin or sharing live location. Tap Send your current location to drop a one-time pin. It's quick for a meeting point. Or choose Share live location to broadcast movement for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Select a duration that fits your plan. Make sure to grant location permission when prompted. Otherwise, WhatsApp can't update coordinates. Once you confirm, hit send. This ensures recipients see either the fixed spot or a live, updating map. After sending, verify the map preview and location message show up in the chat so recipients can tap and navigate. If you shared live location and want to end it before the set time, open the chat and tap Stop Sharing. This revokes updates immediately. If something goes wrong, check app location permission, disable battery saver that restricts background location, and confirm a stable network. These steps fix most issues because the app needs permission, background access, and connectivity to keep sharing accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.